Guys, welcome back to Speaker now. I'm still Boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna ukwenza nje ivideo. Actually ngifuna ukureacta kwi-line up e5 FM because ba-add ishow hip hop. So le show hip hop bekade ikhona before wayenza uSilafu wayenza uMiss Cosmo. So khona ishow ekhona i-Sunday 7 to 10. So I think hip hop iwine enkulu because uSpeedster ubekade yenza ishow hip hop ku-Metro FM nayo. Stopper because last year ama-commercial registration amaningi even national ama-hip hop show ama-hip hop shows bewakhatha because bathi ama-numbers ayatekateka kanjalo. So Speedster kubuyile Sunday 7 to 10 5 hip hop night show igama le show le. So izophutha on abantu abaningi ama-upcoming artists ama-rappers amadala. So nje excited. So Speaker now uSpeedster and I think ayekho umuntu odeserve le show njengayo because ukayenza ishow hip hop before ku-Metro FM kade yenza no-Root Love and ukayikhipha i-mixtape ephutha ona amajita nje. So umjita nje ovele ohlezi eplug abantu. So I think leya show uzofitha kakhulu. And another thing ngifuna ukuyimention because abantu be-hip hop abafuni ukuba nama-numbers, abafuni ukulalela i-radio. That's why ama-radio station egcina ikhansela ama-shows because abayishow support, abafuni ukulalela i-radio. So I think ama-fans kumele beqale benze into ebonakalayo, belalele ama-shows, benze i-engagement so that abantu abaphethe lezi zinhlelo ama-program managers bengezukhansela ama-show afana lawa. So nje i-hip hop ibuyile, i-hip hop ithole ishow ku-5 FM national radio station. So I think iwin enkulu leyo. So rapper uSpeedster ukhona Sunday 7 to 10 PM away.